Oh, we are talking about a WFA weather alert day today because of the heat index, really. It's going to get up there.
It is going to get up there today, tomorrow as well, and it's going to stay up there even for the weekend, but temperatures will come down a little bit then. We'll get to that here in just a moment, but taking you out to the UNT campus, yeah, it's heating up out there, 92 degrees. Look at that heat index, already up to 99, and we haven't even hit midday yet. So, yes, it is a hot one out there. You don't even see the team on the practice field. We typically do during the morning hours. We haven't seen that today for the UNT football team out there, but 92, 99 out there. It is going to be hot. You do need to take it easy if you do have to be out for any extended period of time, as we've been talking about. 90 taking you out to DBU right now. 97 is what it's feeling like right now, with plenty of sunny skies there as well. So everyone in the lower 90s for the most part now. Still looking at 90 getting out to a Richardson right now. 89 heading over to Rockwall along with Frisco, but back into the low 90s for Grand Prairie. Arlington at 91, and we are looking at 92 heading out to Springtown. We were down in the low 70s a little earlier in some locations here this morning outside of Dallas and Fort Worth, but it is heating up for everyone now. Those dew points, they're a little higher than they were this time yesterday as well. Those upper 60s and low 70s around for us this morning. 75 getting out to Greenville, 74 there in Terrell. So yeah, it's a little humid to say the least out there. So as we look at that muggy meter, we've gotten into that uncomfortable category for sure. It was very sticky in many locations yesterday. Uncomfortable out there now. So that gives you an idea of what it's going to feel like as we get into the afternoon. Now we are looking at that heat advisory today through Friday evening. A few more counties a little farther south heading down I-45 have been included in that now. So we will see that heat index maybe climbing up to around 108 in some locations for this afternoon, heading on into tomorrow. The actual highs, 98 to 99, maybe getting closer to 100 in a few spots, especially a little farther west as we head into today. But that heat index, that's going to be the thing that don't let that get the best of you as we head into the afternoon with that heat index. Forecast heat indices around 108 getting out to McKinney, 106 in Greenville, 104 to 105 coming over to Fort Worth and Dallas a little bit later this afternoon. So the heat's going to continue. Tomorrow could get a little bit hotter for us as we'll be up around 99, and then we'll see the temperatures coming down ever so slightly as we get into the weekend. By Sunday, going into Monday, around 95 or so, but that humidity, it is going to stay up for us. It's still up around 105 for Saturday, heading into Sunday and Monday, still looking at the triple-digit heat index, just not quite as oppressive as we head into the early part of next week. So that heat is going to continue. Now, we are keeping an eye on the tropics. We have seen a couple of disturbances out there that we've been watching over the past few days, and this is the time of year when things really start to heat up out there. So here's what we have right now. That's what's left of Dexter. That's moving on away in the northern Atlantic right now. We've been watching that area of disturbed weather off the Carolina coast. About a 30% chance for some development over the next several days, and another disturbance well out in the open waters of the Atlantic there. That's has a 60% chance for some development, but not posing any threat there right now. So early August, things really start to heat up across the area there. You saw the next name. That will be Aaron. So here's what it looks like over the next month or so as we start to heat up into August. You see the peak season of the hurricane season is September the 10th. So we do have a ways to go, and things probably going to get a little more active in the Atlantic basin as far as the hurricanes and tropical systems are concerned. So we'll be watching that here in the days to come. All right, here's what it looks like with that 14-day forecast for us. The heat is going to be the big story for us. It's going to continue as we get into the early middle part of next week. Temperatures come down slightly by Monday, as I mentioned, but it is going to stay hot. Slight chances for some showers and thunderstorms back in the forecast as we head into the middle of next week. But right now, less than 20% with those highs in the upper 90s heading into next weekend.